Surat al-Waqiyah, chapter of the event. In the name of Allah, the Merciful, the Compassionate, when the event happens, at whose happening there is no false speaker, abasing, exalting, when the earth is shaken, and the mountains are pounded, and become dust, scattered, and ye are classes, 3, those on the right hand, what are they? Those on the left hand, what are they? Those who go before, they are those brought near, are in gardens of delight, a company from former generations, and a few from the latter, upon couches set with jewels, on which they recline facing each other, while round them circle boys of perpetual youth, with goblets and jugs and a cup of flowing wine, from which they suffer neither headache nor intoxication, and with fruit of their own choice, and birds' flesh of what they desire, and maidens with dark wide eyes like pearls treasured, a recompense for what they have been doing, in which they hear neither vain talk nor blame, but only the saying of peace, peace. Those on the right, what are they? Midden lotus trees bent down with fruit, and acacias thickly grown, and shade extended, and water outpoured, and fruit profuse, not cut off, and not forbidden, and carpets raised. We have produced them specially, and made them virgins, loving, and of equal age for those on the right. A company from the former generations, and a company from the latter. Those on the left, what are they? Mid-hot wind and boiling water, and the shadow of black smoke, neither cool nor dainty. Formerly they were in luxury, and were persisting in the great refusal. They used to say, when we have died and become dust and bones, are we barely to be raised again? And also our fathers of former generations say, verily the former generations and the latter are surely going to be brought together to the meeting place of a day appointed. Then ye, O ye erring ones who count false, will assuredly eat of a tree of Zaqqum, and fill with it your bellies, and then drink down upon it hot water, drinking as drinks the camel crazy with thirst. This will be the reception feast on the day of judgment. We have created you, so why not count it true? I swear not by the places where fall the stars. Have ye considered that what in desire ye admit? Do ye create it, or are we the creators? We have decreed death to be amongst you, and we are not to be evaded, so that we may put others like you in your place, and produce you again in conditions that ye do not know. Surely ye have known the first production. Why then will ye not be reminded? Have ye considered what ye till? Do ye give the increase, or do we? If we pleased, we should make it rubbish, and ye will be left twitting each other. We have incurred debt, nay, we are debarred from result. Have ye considered the water which ye drink? Do ye bring it down from the clouds, or do we? If we pleased, we should make it bitter. Why then do ye not show gratitude? Have ye considered the fire which ye ignite? Have ye produced the tree for it? Or have we? It is we who have made it a reminder and a provision for the campers in the desert. So give glory in the name of thy Lord, the mighty. I swear not by the places where fall the stars, a mighty oath. If ye only knew, verily is a Qur'an noble, and a book treasured, touched only by the purified, a downsend from the Lord of the worlds. Will ye then with such a discourse dissimulate, and make it your daily bread, that ye count it false? Why not then, when it comes to the windpipe, and then ye look on, though we are nearer to him, then you only ye do not see? Why not, if ye are not subject to judgment, return it, if ye speak the truth? So if he be of those brought near, then an evening breeze and a fragrance, and a garden of delight, and if he be one of the people of the right, then peace be to thee from the people of the right. But if he be of those who count false, of those who are astray, then a reception banquet of hot water, and a roasting in a blaze. Verily, this is the truth of the certainty. So give glory in the name of thy Lord, the mighty. Now, twitting doesn't have some implications that some people are going to associate with that. But this chapter is similar to the last one in many respects. It stands rather unique outside of the other chapter of referring to both the jinn and the humans. And as we can see here, it's a place where you get the idea that one only touches the Qur'an with ablutions. And also, one approaches it with a purified state of mind as well.